Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're having a look at a big one-hit wonder from the 90s and a bit of a classic. I do love this one. It is the classic Breakfast at Tiffany's from Deep Blue Something. And this one really is an easy one, so shouldn't give you any problems. It's very good even if you're just starting out. First off, let's just get straight on. It shouldn't take too long, this one. So the three chords you are going to need for this one are D, you are going to need a G, and you are going to need an A as well. Okay, so like I always tell you, if you are really starting out and those chords are a little bit difficult for you, pause the video and just try going through them so you can change quite comfortably from one chord to another. Okay, but if you're okay with D, G and A, let's get straight on. Obviously the chords are going to come up on the screen and let's try jamming the song together. Okay, so get ready with your D and we're going to try the verse section first, okay? 3, 4, D. G and A, and then a D, and G and A, and then a D, G and A, back to D, and G and A, D, and G and A, and then a D, G and A, and then a D, and G and A, back to chorus, and D and a D and then A and G, and a D and a D and then A and a G, D and a D and then A and a G, D and a D and then A and a G. Go verse. Da, na, 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 and G and A and D, G and A. This G and A and then a D, and G and A and then a D, and G and A and then D, and a G and A, D, G and A and then a D, and G and A and then a D, and G and A and then try chorus again. And D and a D and then A and a G, D and a D and then A and a G, and a D and then D and then A and a G, D and a D and then A and a G, da 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 da, and then a verse and A and D. Finish up on the D. Okay, so that is how straightforward that one is. That'll fit in perfectly with the fabulous Deep Blue Something version of their classic Breakfast at Tiffany's. Yeah, and you can try different types of strumming patterns with it. That was just a nice straightforward downstrokes on each chord. Give it a try, it'll sound great, and obviously get your vocal cords sorted out and try singing it if you're a better singer than me. But it's like I do with a lot of these songs, popular at some of the open mic sessions I run. Give it a try, it'll sound great, and I'll see you again soon for more super easy guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.